2-6.
We're just bleeding miles here, and the shift's pretty good. I think if we go, everyone will go, but we need to lead based on where we are. We're about 10 miles shy where the routing wants us to go, but the shift's here. We're already under forecast on the pressure, so avoid a sail change, take a good shift, aim at the mark. A lot of reasons to. I just hope we can do it fast enough here. We're kind of dragging. 2, 1, tack.
There is enough distance in between of the boats to use this leverage to go forward or higher and use differently this small shift that we will find on the way to Itajai. From here the wind should increase up to 25 knots in the night, so fetching. All the fleet is very close, so everything can happen. I think will be another photo finish line.
I have no problems us putting the bow down when the header comes and going fast to the coast, and then letting it play out there.